Everybody is talking about making money over the internet, but here is a part they don't tell you about make money online. If you're someone that lives in Africa, yes, you can make money online anywhere in the world, but if you live in Africa, the rules are different. Listen, if you don't know these rules, you will spend so many months, so many years chasing lots of make money online platforms, and all these months and years will be wasted. All right. So in today's video, we're going to look at all the critical things you need to understand, all the rules you need to know as far as making money here in Africa is concerned. If you are new here, my name is Jeremy. I talk about how you can start a profitable online business and how you can actually put the internet to a productive use. Stick with me to the very end of the video if you are determined to start a profitable business here in Africa without having to waste so much time searching online for platforms or options that actually do not work. Now, before you explore any make money online platform or option here in Africa, make sure you don't fall into the cobwebs of payment gateway barriers. All right. So if you have a make money online option that says they want to pay you with PayPal, that is the first red flag. Make sure you don't waste your time so much over there because you would have problems. Guaranteed, you'd have problems with such a make money online option in the future. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about three very plain, blunt options that you can tap into if you're in Africa. And if you are still looking for tap kind of options, easy options, platforms where you click and get a dollar or a cent, then this video will not be useful to you. Right. So my three key options if you really genuinely want to make money in Africa over the internet, whether it's a side hustle or it's a full-time business, is you need to first of all get into the B2B or B2C business. That is number one. Number two, you need to get into the content business. That's number two. Then number three, we need to get into the e-com business. Right? These three businesses do not fail. And they will give you money, they will allow you the freedom to work anywhere you find yourself. And trust me, I do all three of them. Right? So I have a digital agency that builds websites, builds softwares, run marketing, and then do branding for businesses. That is a B2B. B2B simply means businesses providing services to other businesses. Then B2C, business providing services to other what? Customers or clients. Right. So in this case, the first option as the B2B or the B2C means that you yourself have to position yourself as somebody that provides a service to other people and people are willing to pay you. I've done videos on how you can actually start a business like a social media management business or a Facebook ads business as a digital marketing agency. I've linked of those videos in the description of the video. If you're someone that wants to start something genuinely in Africa, this is one thing you should look at, B2B or B2C. Very critical. Number two is a content business. You can start a YouTube channel, you can start a social media page where you can monetize with affiliate marketing or you can monetize with ads. Right? You can start a blog, monetize with AdSense. I have made several thousands of dollars with Google AdSense in the past. I started a YouTube channel, that is what you are watching right now. Okay, and then it is also monetized with affiliate marketing and then Google Ads. So one of the most reliable business forms you can try here in Africa without barriers to payment is content creation. Because most of the platforms will pay you direct bank, okay, and then it will make it easier for you to access your funds. The third option has to do with e-commerce. Now, under e-commerce, we can also factor something like dropshipping and affiliate marketing. If you are in Africa, make sure you are providing proper value. By letting people find product, buy this product, you get your commissions directly. This business model is not complicated, it's straightforward. Now, let's come down to a simple explanation. Let's take a platform like Amazon. What you see on your screen right now is an Amazon activity that I did. I will term it as e-commerce because all I did was promote Amazon's products. People went on there, clicked on it, bought the product, Amazon paid me a commission. This is what the narrative of affiliate marketing is. But also, it is termed as e-commerce because it's simply people buying online. Okay, the buying and selling of goods and services, that is e-commerce. So these three businesses I've mentioned is what you need to try if you're serious about starting a profitable business in Africa. All of the other platforms that will promise you to install an app, to play a game, to register, to refer a friend, trust me, while they may work in other countries, the surveys and the rest, if you're in Africa, they don't work. This is blunt. I know you may not be happy hearing this, but that is the truth. I spent over a year working on a platform that I thought was going to pay me out. I had $10,000 in my balance and the platform collapsed. That is when I realized that I needed to build something that is reliable, something that is a business, something that may or cannot collapse. All right. So if you want to start something serious, get into B2B or B2C, or get into content creation, or eventually you can get into e-commerce, because then you're rest assured that your revenue is guaranteed. You're rest assured that this is a business you can actually scale to the highest point. All right. The truth is, making money online is real, but if you're in Africa, you need to play according to the game. All right. You need to know the rules so that you don't waste a lot of time exploring options that do not work. Don't focus on tactics or tricks to make money quick. Focus on building slowly a business, a scale that is going to pay you in the long run. Because while you start a business or while you start any online venture, ask yourself, how is it going to pay you in the next 5 years, in the next 3 years, or even in the next 1 year? So instead of looking for the tap options, register and refer your friends options. Make sure you settle on the options that are life-changing, options that are future-proof. I'll be doing more videos about these topics on this channel, so if you don't want to miss those videos, remember to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you can catch all videos that I'll be doing about starting profitable businesses in Africa. And I'll see you on the next one.